How to connect your bank account to Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can link or add your bank account to Venmo. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a bank account on Venmo, just open the Venmo app and then you have to tap on the three lines at the top left hand side of the home screen. And then you'll find all these options. There you have to select the option called transfer balance, which is displayed in blue at the top of the menu. Once you do so, select the option called instant or 1 to 3 business days on the balance screen. Now a new menu labeled bank verification will pop up at the bottom of the screen. If you have an account with a major national bank, you can select instant verification and simply sign into your bank's website to connect to Venmo. If you have an account with a smaller bank like a local credit union, you may need to select manual verification to enter your bank's routing number and your account number, and your bank may take up to 3 days to verify with this method. So just go ahead and choose any of these methods. Now if you choose instant verification, then tap on the continue and then acknowledge that Venmo you just played an outside application to connect to your bank, and select your bank from those listed. If you do not see the name of your bank, you may search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. If it does not appear, go back to the previous step and then just select the option called manual verification. Enter your online banking credentials to connect Venmo to your bank account, and then follow your bank's on-screen instructions to verify. And that's all it takes to add a bank account to Venmo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.